Hi. So today I'm going to go over really quick what to do when your profiler session is frozen. This could be due to a problem running in the background of Profiler. Maybe too many people are on at the same time. Maybe there are too many processes running, or maybe your internet connection just kind of got lost somewhere, and your screen is frozen. So what happens is you log out, you log back in, stuck on the same screen, and you can't do anything. I'm going to show you how to fix this yourself without having to call the IT department because sometimes they're really busy and can't get to you immediately. So all you have to do, it's crazy how easy this is going to be. You go to the Start button at the very bottom left-hand side of Profiler. Okay. You're going to go to the bottom right, which is coincidentally the same place you go to change your password. But instead of clicking on change a password, you are going to click on the one that says Start Task Manager. So click Start Task Manager. This is just like a task manager in Windows. So you click on the task that is stuck and you select End Task. Okay. See how that closed that out right away? Okay. So then what you do, then you log out. And the appropriate way to log out is to go to Start, Log Off. And when you log back in, your profiler will not be stuck anymore. You'll be able to proceed and go just like normal. So I hope that was helpful for you. Please let me know if you have any questions, and thank you. Have a great day.